Okay, this is the earbud case, step 1. We've got our fabric, we've separated it from our half of our fat quarter. The rest of the fabric is set aside for our button bag. What we're gonna do is we've got this rectangle of fabric. We need to cut out 3 of our shapes, which we're using a circle. You can get the pattern from your teacher. So we're going to just fold our fabric into thirds, and we're going to place our circle pattern so that it is going through all 4 layers of fabric. You're going to use your pins just to pin through all the layers of the pattern. You don't need to use a lot of pins, probably 3 to 4, just working your way around. We just want to hold the pattern in place on the fabric. So I've got it pinned securely in all of the layers. Then you're just going to use your shears and you're going to cut around the outside edge of the pattern. Please do not cut the pattern. We would like to be able to use the patterns more than once. So please work your way around the outside of the pattern. When you get to a spot that may have a fold, like that side was, just make sure that you're cutting through all of the layers. Now, as we start looking at our directions here, we need to have 3 circles. So as I pull my pattern off and unpin my pins, make sure pins always get put back onto the pin cushion. We've got our 3 shapes. We've actually got 4 of them. We only need 3 for our bag, and then we need 1 2-inch square. So I'm going to take this last circle that I have here, and I'm just going to cut a 2-inch square. It might help if you pull out your seam gauge from your drawer and just identify exactly how big a 2-inch square is. It doesn't need to be exact. Approximations are okay. So we just want to make sure that we're getting approximately a 2-inch square, just kind of measuring over. And one final measurement, getting my 2-inch square. The more square you make this, the easier it's going to be later, but that's going to be just fine. All of these little pieces are trash. I'm going to get all of my scrap here into the trash can, and that's it for step 1.